All right, and we're back. Today's video is just hopefully going to be a quick swap out. All right, muffler mount rubbers. Okay, goes here. This is your rear mount on your Touring. So what happens is if you hear a funny noise when you start your bike, like my friend Pat found, he heard this. See how that rubber is allowing that pipe to move? The other side has no movement at all, but we're going to change them both anyway. So if you hear that noise, more than likely the rubbers are worn out. Now, on my Street Glide, I had trouble with mine, but not... Like, this bike is 2.5 years old. 2.5 years old. Mine didn't act up until the bike was about 5 or 6 years old. So, if I remember correctly, it's 1/2 inch. Yep. So, we pull these out. Hardest part of this job is getting the rubbers in. And you hold up on the pipe. These just back out by hand. And once you're done with that, you slide out your... Easier said than done. Come on, baby. Sometimes... Oh, there we go. Okay, went forward. So you just slide your mount out. And then what we got to do is get these rubbers out. Now, these rubbers is like... You can see they're kind of hard already. So what we got to do, they come out from... They go that way. They go towards the front of the bike because you have a little tab. So what we got to do is force them out. Sometimes they go easy. Sometimes they go rough. All right, this one's going relatively easy. So there it is. That's out. Now, put the new one in. Hopefully the new one goes in as easy as the old one came out. And that's your part number. Okay, was that 5.5 or 6.5? 6.5. I think it's 5.5, right? 6.5. Okay, very good. There you go. Show you the part number. 65724-85A. And they're like $8 a piece. You said, right?
Yep.
Okay, so there's your new one, and then we just got to get this to pop in. And like I said, this can be the tricky part. But not so tricky because it went right in. Nice. I love it when a plan comes together. And then you put your bracket back in. Come on, baby. And since we didn't move anything, it's right back together. So there's that. And then we need a little blue Loctite. You don't want to lose a muffler going down the road. Because if these nuts come out, these bolts come out, this clamp up in the front will loosen itself up quick, and you'll end up losing a muffler on the side of the road, which you don't want to do. Okay, that's one. We get them started, and then I'll grab my torque wrench. As you guys know me, everything's done with a torque wrench in my world. So what we do, we run them back up to snug, like so. There we go. Now let me get my torque wrench out. We're going to use the beam wrench. As you guys know from watching my videos, my beam style wrench is my absolute favorite torque wrench. And it must be 50 years old, this wrench I have. All right, it should be right here. Very good. And we go like this. Now these are basically 20 foot-pounds is all we're going to go. And you do it even. Okay, back to this one. Front one. That's 20. And that's 20. Okay, that side is done. Now let's see how we're doing here. Nice and tight. Very good. That's the way we want it. All right, we're going to move over to the other side. And same thing. Again, this is a quick swap out. There's absolutely no reason to go to the dealer to have this job done. You see how quick it is for the first one. So we'll get the back one, the other one done right now. Move you around here a little bit. Okay, you can see what we're doing. Very good. Oh, wrong way, dummy. Ah, there we go. I have a habit of not resetting my socket wrench. Okay, very good. Pat, we got to get you some slip-ons, buddy. Get you something nice and black with a little noise. Not a lot, but a little. Like my bike, the Screaming Eagles. All right, let's see. You going to go forward or backwards? All right, we're going out the back. All right, very good. That's that. And then the same thing. Trying to get these out. Very good. Out. And we'll get the next one in. Like I said, 10-minute job. Why pay the dealer for half-hour labor or hour labor, whatever they're going to charge you, when you can do this job yourself quickly. So, and what I always do, I always try to start this side first, because once you get it slipped in, you can get a little more pressure on it to slide it in. Boom. And there you go. That's in. Bracket goes in. This side didn't need it, but since we were doing it, Pat said, let's do them both. I said, you got it, buddy. Whatever you need. All right, very good. Get my blue Loctite. Again, just a little dab will do you. Just a little bit, because it runs down the threads as you're tightening it in. One. Come on, always one that wants to give you a hard time. There we go. A little adjustment there. The Adjustment Bureau. And two. Okay, same thing. We're gonna snug it a little bit. Okay, torque wrench. And again, 20 pounds. Come on. This torque wrench, like I said, is 50 years old. Okay, a little bit. And then we'll take it right to 20. I try to do it back and forth to make it so it's even. There's 20 on that one. 20 on that one. Okay. Very good. And that's the job. That's your extent of doing your rubber bushings, your mount bushings. There's nothing to it. Again, why pay somebody to do it for you when you can do it yourself? And what are we looking at? 7 minutes and 40 seconds. There you go. All right. Thanks for watching, as always. I'll see you guys in the next video. Whatever that is, I'm not sure yet. I still got some things for the Sport Glide. All right. Take care. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.